Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. There are different types of AI, such as rule-based AI, which follows set rules to complete tasks, and machine learning AI, which uses data to learn and improve over time. AI can be used in a variety of applications, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and customer service. Some experts predict that AI will continue to advance and become more integrated into our daily lives, potentially leading to both benefits and challenges. One benefit is that it can automate repetitive or dangerous tasks, leading to increased efficiency and safety. However, there are also concerns about job displacement and the potential misuse of it. It is already being used to improve healthcare by analyzing medical images and identifying patterns to aid in diagnosis and treatment. In transportation, it is already being used to develop self-driving cars and optimize logistics. The field of artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, driven by improvements in technology and data availability. However, there is still much research to be done to fully realize the potential of AI and address its challenges. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing field with a lot of potential for both benefits and challenges.